covering the Central Coast. This is KION News Channel 46 at 5:30.
No batteries have been removed from the site.
Tonight, ongoing recovery efforts from January's fire at Vistra's battery storage facility in Moss Landing. The company and EPA providing an update on their work. Good evening and welcome to our 5:30 half hour. Saturday will mark 8 months since that fire broke out, sparking not only flames but lingering questions about public health and the environment. KION's Brianna Matha tells us where that cleanup stands and what the rest of the process is going to look like.
Tonight, the fire January damaged thousands of lithium-ion batteries, and so far, officials are saying that the batteries are still there.
No batteries have been removed from the site. As I mentioned earlier, we expect that work to start in September. So batteries have been delinked, which was an initial step to cut down on the risk of further incident.
EPA formalized its cleanup deal with Vistra back in July, and since then, crews have been stabilizing the building and partially tearing it down so that they could safely get to the damaged batteries inside.
The community can expect to see and may have already observed construction personnel, vehicles, and equipment, including cranes, arriving at the site. Dust control and perimeter and community air monitoring measures are in place during all of these activities.
Once the batteries are pulled from the building, crews will inspect them on site before shipping them out.
Once the batteries are removed from the building, they will be inspected, treated, or de-energized on site in preparation for off-site transport and disposal. A worst first fashion to address the batteries at higher states of charge, presenting a higher risk.
Vistra saying that there is still no plan to restart the Moss 300 battery facility until the investigation is complete.
So there's no plans for restart of Moss 300 facility until, well after cleanup and all those pieces. And then the other, there are other projects on site, I think as many are aware. We do have a natural gas fuel unit on site that is active and does make power. So there are occasions where you might see steam coming from that asset, but that is not tied to any battery project at all.
As for what happens to the batteries, officials are saying
recycling involves reclaiming of materials and metals from the batteries for reuse, and that would be happening off-site. We would be treating batteries on-site to ensure that they are safe for transport.
KION's Brianna Matha joins us live now in the studio. Brianna, how long will this cleanup take and when do they expect to start removing those batteries?
Now, the EPA says this cleanup will take over a year due to technical challenges and safety precautions. Now, if all goes according to plan, the actual battery removal will start in September. Back to you, Jeanette.